Today, Sean needs to find specific data in his spreadsheet, and he needs to replace some specific data in his spreadsheet because it needs to be updated. Let's start with Find. In the ribbon in your Home tab, right at the end, you have a button called Find and Select. Let's say Sean wants to find all the records for the customer Saima Kini. Click on the button Find and Select. Click on Find. You can directly type into this dialog box, Saima Kini. You can even copy and paste directly into this dialog box, which will be faster. You have two buttons, Find Next, which will navigate you through all the instances of where Saima Kini appears, or you can click on Find All, and Excel will give you a list of all the times Saima Kini appears in this spreadsheet and give you the exact cell reference of where Saima Kini appears in this spreadsheet. Let's close this dialog box now. Let's say we want to replace some specific data in this spreadsheet. We found out from our customer that the address is slightly incorrect in our spreadsheet for Sydney Fish Market. The suburb is actually not Sydney. The suburb should actually be Pyrmont. It will take us a long time to replace each of these individually. Excel offers us a tool to do this very quickly. Go back to your button, Find and Select, and choose Replace. Find what? It's quite a long phrase, so I'm going to directly copy and paste into Find What, and I want to replace it with a new address. It's quite similar to the old address, so I pasted it back again, and now I'm going to change the address to the exact correct suburb name, which is Pyrmont. I can again click on Find All to see all the instances that this entry appears in our spreadsheet. Every time Sydney Fish Market, Bank Street, Sydney appears. I can replace them one by one by clicking on Replace, or I can simply click Replace All and every instance will be replaced. As you can see, Excel tells me it's made 27 replacements. That's not including the first two that I replaced one at a time. Click on OK, click on Close, and now you can see the Sydney Fish Market address has actually been updated. Instead of saying Sydney, it now says Pyrmont.